Hello, tech enthusiasts, troubleshooters, and everyone who's ever dreaded the spinning wheel of doom. Welcome back to West LA Computer Expert, where we decode the enigma of tech. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay up to date with our latest content. Today, we're taking a stroll down the Silicon Lane, reminiscing on some of the most fascinating tech support mysteries I've solved right here in West LA. I'll reveal how I cracked these tech puzzles and breathed new life into these machines. Let's start with our first chronicle, the ghost in the machine. An anxious client reached out, claiming their computer was booting up to a hauntingly empty screen. Nothing but a digital void. A couple of diagnostic tests later, it was evident. The computer's operating system had vanished during a botched update. Some patience and a fresh OS install later, the system was back from the dead. The client's sigh of relief still echoes in my ears. It's moments like these that make my job a delight. Our next narrative takes us into the heart of darkness with the malware menace. A local business was under siege by a vicious malware, holding their precious data hostage. They were on the brink of a complete shutdown. Every second counted. I swiftly isolated the infected systems, and with a blend of advanced anti-malware tools and data recovery wizardry, I vanquished the threat and salvaged their data. The relief and gratitude of the business owner and employees made all the hard work worth it. Let's dive into our third adventure, the hardware hydra. A graphic designer reached out with a PC that was crashing every time they opened their design software. It was as if a creature from the deep was wreaking havoc. I dove into the system diagnostics, and there it was, an outdated graphics card driver. A quick driver update later, and the beast was tamed. Seeing the designer back to creating amazing art made this a special victory. Our final saga for today is the Wi-Fi witchcraft. A family's home Wi-Fi was behaving oddly, dropping out, slow speeds, devices unable to connect. It was a veritable digital haunted house. After assessing their setup, I found the culprit. Their router was outdated and the Wi-Fi signal was getting interfered with by other electronics in the house. A router upgrade and strategic repositioning later, their digital ghosts were exorcised. The joy of the family finally enjoying a seamless Wi-Fi experience was the perfect end to this tale. These stories serve as a reminder of how important it is to maintain, secure, and update your systems regularly. Remember, a stitch in time saves 9. I hope these stories brought both a smile to your face and some tech wisdom your way. If you have your own tech support horror stories, we'd love to hear them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tales and insights from West LA Computer Expert. Until next time, stay safe and keep teching.